boy. Keep going. Keep running.
I keep going to my sock.
Okay. Okay. Keep running.
I'm running the way.
Yes, you are.
Chloe, can you? Whoops! Be careful, Eliza.
Be careful, please.
Whoops! Be careful. You running? Whoa! Be careful, Eliza. Be careful. Yeah, but you have to be careful of your sister too. Be careful of your sister too. Run, run, run!
I'm going fast as I can.
You're very fast. Both of you are fast.
Because I'm a fast runner.
You are. You're one of the fastest runners I've ever met. Woo!